Installing a processor and heatsink. To install a processor, if necessary, remove the processor socket cover. Slide the processor carrier into the rail frame. Push the rail frame down until the blue latches lock into place. Close the retention frame.
If you are reusing a heatsink, use a syringe to apply 4 uniformly spaced dots of thermal grease on top of the processor.
Use a Torx T20 screwdriver to fasten the 3 captive screws. To install the heatsink, align the captive screws on the heatsink with the screw holes on the processor socket, and then install the heatsink on the processor socket. Use the proper torque to partially fasten all the screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Repeat the procedure until all the screws are fully tightened. Reinstall the following components: processor air baffle, all the PCIe assemblies, if applicable, the internal drive cage, top cover, if applicable, the security bezel. Refer to the Installing a Processor Air Baffle video to complete the parts replacement.